Hi guys, it's Ryan here. Just thought I'd do update for crude oil here and what I was looking at today on this market. So what we had today was we had open. We gapped down first of all to show you the gap down on the Globex session. So we see a gap down from previous day and pretty much straight away sold out of this area. So see this rotation down off the open, and the market just came to balance here, whether this was the overnight session. But more importantly, we opened at the lows of this current composite, and I'll bring some higher time frames up to see this. And so what we did is we opened right at the lows of this current market, which is the low of this current bracket. I mean, you can just see that there's a support level here at the 93.20 area, and we've seen responsive buying from this area, over a number of days now, and so we formed this nice bracket balance area that the market's been trading in. And obviously the next important levels from my eyes, the $92 a barrel level. So if we continue to break down here, that's where I'm looking at currently. And but going back to today, so we opened actually inside of the bracket at the low of the current market extremes. So if we opened gap down, I would have been looking to be a seller off of support, and but we didn't. We opened inside, and we see an immediate test of the lows, and a very sharp responsive buy-in, and we pretty much see this come back to the 5 daily moving average here. So we opened, like I said, up, and we see this sharp spike down into the open here, and immediate responsive buy-in up to a support area. So I missed this opportunity off the open. It happens just so fast, and let's have a look at the footprint here. It just happened so fast, and we just rotate down very fast, and I just missed the move and just watch it just scream off up here higher. I was just looking just a little bit deeper. I was looking at the 93.5 area, and we just spiked down to 12s, and I think 8s it was actually, and I just missed the entry. So the next thing to do was just obviously to do nothing and just sit here and watch this market rotate upwards. And so the next thing I was looking at was the current composite value. And you can see this responsive buy-in tail in A period, and then in B period we see another responsive buy-in into the current composite value. From here we left a sharp excess, and I started to establish a long position here from the overnight lows at 94.19 area, or I got short from 94.19, and looking for this market to possibly sell off back down here. But so we start to see this, we start to see some balancing come in, just a continual rejection of the composite value, and it was today's sort of 1.5 standard deviation and last week's value area low. And we finally got this sort of move down here, and at the time I was maybe thinking if we can obviously keep below the current day's value, and we were back inside the initial balance, that we could see a spike down here further. But straight away the market, we saw a quick response out of below the value area, below Vwap today, sorry, and near the value area low, and we just came off, and we just see some support for Vwap, and then a responsive buy-in which sort of broke this sort of one, all these two bars. We sort of see one time frame in for F, G and H period, and then obviously I period we broke up back up into the value area, and we see a spike into the close then. So I just got out of this trade as we come back in to this meters Vwap value here, and as you can see we were starting to reject it, and then we just see a responsive buy back in. So there's just no reason to stay in after this, and we broke back out of the initial balance that we'd been rejecting through the bias part of the morning. So that's just, after that there's just pretty much nothing to do. After the initial long and then the potential short, I suppose there was just, you could have tried to buy it here maybe out on the rejection of the initial balance, but just not what I was looking to do here today. So that's just how I see things. So that's pretty much it with the crude. We've come back into this month's value here, and we've seen this buying response back here. So see what happens in the overnight and where we open tomorrow, and go from there. Regards to the S&P 500, we just didn't even touch this market today. We just pretty much in a 7 handle range. I mean, we're best part of a 4 or 5 handle range for most of the day, and then we'll see a spike down to the close. But just I'm gonna go back to the crude here for a little bit and see if we can get some nice trades on there, and just wait for the S&P to pick back up here and see some volatility come back in. Anyway, I hope you all had a great day today, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Cheers, bye.